This time being mean.
You threatened me with a shovel, that's why.
Well, but he didn't hit you.
Well, still.
You know, it's like when you punched Trevor and he punched you in the mouth and you got upset, but you started the fight. Has that been clean?
Yep. So
I'm gonna check. I'm gonna let's see. You get the spot I missed. How you gonna do weeding with a baseball bat?
Give my shovel to Trevor.
Huh?
Give my shovel to Trevor.
I gave you a shovel to Trevor.
Yeah. Well, that's not a shovel, Tommy.
Alright, do me a favor. Take this sign down so people don't think the house is for sale.
Why are you holding this on the ground?
What?
Come on, Alex, I'll monitor you.
Don't want to. Don't want to.
I'm monitoring you.
Where's the shovel?
Trevor has it. He's weeding.
How's he weeding with the shovel? That's shoveling.
Okay, well, he's shoveling. Come on, Alex, take that sign. Where do you want it?
So just here, go get. You know what? Go take go get a hammer. Just take it apart. We'll save the beam and the sign. Smile. Don't go in that door. He just cleaned it.
Tommy,
what's the matter?
Make it messy again. That's it. I'm gonna
that's the problem with you, Thomas. I'm gonna have Alex teach you a lesson.
Yeah.
Go get a picture of Trevor work.
Okay.
Use this focus here.
Focus is what then? Well, there's several silver things on top.
Right now, filming and coming over here and doing something.
Trevor, I would help you, but you're being mean to me. You're being very rude with that profane language. I don't approve. I cannot work for someone. I cannot work with someone who's like that.
I was weeding. So let's use bullshit.
Trevor, I don't like your language. Trevor, if you want me to work with you, be nice about it, okay? That's all, Trevor. That's all there is to it, okay? Use nice language and people will follow.
Yep, nice language.
See, I have no problem with that. That's just a finger.
Exactly. Now let's get to work.
But this is my favorite one.
Am I getting your hoe ass over here?
What was that, Trevor?
Do you mind getting your hoe ass over here?
Alright, Tommy. Here we see a wild Trevor.
Seriously though, come do some more. I don't feel like doing this all on my own. I'm ready to ditch.
Trevor, I am helping. I'm your supervisor.
Where the fuck is Alex?
I don't know. He went to grab a baseball bat. You can't weed with the baseball bat. That's just stupid, right?
Yeah. Oh shit, what am I gonna do? Woodworking?
What?
I'm making a new handle for the machete.
New hell, that's cool.
The handle broke off. I don't think I'll be allowed to bring the actual machete.
When's your class?
I don't know. It's either first semester or second semester.
It's gonna be first.
Woodworking?
Actually, I don't know. It depends on the order in which you chose. I'm taking marketing.
Woodworking and clay sculpture, so. Maybe both knives.
Yeah, knives and blades.
Yeah, sharp stuff.
Yep. You're gonna have Mr. Darren.
Don't know who that is, but I'll pretend to.
Well, I don't expect you to know him. Trevor, make a coffin. That was my project freshman year, but I never got around to making it. You need to make a coffin.
I'm not making a coffin.
Trevor, you can make a coffin.
I'm making shit that I might actually use once in my life.
A coffin? You'll use a coffin.
I'm making a new machete handle, so I want to use that machete to threaten Tommy.
Tommy, well,
Then if I have more time, I'll build a goddamn desk. A free, really long piece of plank of wood. And then a couple legs, and bingo.
that's a table, not a desk.
It's a desk. It's really long.
No. A desk has drawers.
Fuck it, I'll put a single drawer.
Look. Make a box. Those are so easy. No, but your first project is a stool, and that's hard. There's a lot to it.
Alright, take you a little while to get that baseball plan. What the fuck are you looking for, dumbass? Well, I mean, I saw you running to a really quick glance, and now hey.
Tommy, what are you doing right now? For what?
Reading.
Tommy,
Speak up. Get over here. I had a job.